So guys, welcome to this wonderful tutorial on multiplication of surd involving bracket. So it's going to be a very short and easy peasy stuff for you to do, very easy and simple, super easy. So the previous one I did multiplication of surd, but the multiplication of surd that I talked about was not the one that was involving brackets. So this one is involving brackets. So let's start with an example. Let's say you have 2 root 5 plus 3. Then you are multiplying it with 5 root 5 plus 2. Yes, what you do, you multiply. Now if you want to multiply stuff like this, you multiply it like the same way you multiply algebraic expression. That means you distribute one term for the other. Now here's what I'm going to do to simplify this. You see I have two brackets, these two brackets. Now I can decide to distribute what I have in this first bracket for the second bracket, what I have for the second bracket for the first bracket. In this one I'm going to distribute the term for the second bracket in the first bracket. So I have root 5 in the second bracket. I'll use it to multiply everything in this bracket. Multiply by 2 root 5 plus 3. Then followed by the next stuff I have is 2. So use it to multiply what I have in the first bracket. Multiply by 2 root 5 plus 3. So if I should multiply this times this, will give me 10 plus root 5 times 3 will be 3 root 5 plus 2 times 2 multiply 2 root 5 will be 4 root 5 plus 2 times 3 will be 6. So I see that 10 and 6 are like terms, root 3 and root these two are like terms. So I can say 10 plus 6 plus 3 root 5 plus 4 root 5. Okay, that. Okay, so this will give me equal to 10 plus 16 plus 7 root 5. So we're going to do another example now. So we are going to do one more example, two more example, just two more examples. So the next one I'm going to do is this, which is you have 4 root 3. Okay, let me see. You have 4 root 3 plus root 6 multiplied by 4 root 3 minus root 6. Now to multiply this is very easy because this one obviously doing is easy than the previous one. It's easier than the previous one, the one I did earlier. So using to simplify, I said it's easy because I'm not going to just use exactly like that method, but it's the same stuff. So what I'm going to use is difference of 2 square. What do I mean by difference of 2 square? You better see something like this: a plus b multiplied by a minus b. And whenever you multiply stuff like this, you end up having a square minus b square. Are you getting me? That is the same stuff you are seeing here. Are you getting me? Now you see that I have the same term in this a plus b and a minus b. I have the same term in both brackets. The difference is just the same. That is what you are seeing in this bracket. The difference is just the 2 signs. Are you getting me? Plus and minus. So this is called difference of 2 square. So it means that I will square these two terms together, and then I'll square root 6 and root 6 together. Are you getting me? Then there will be a negative sign at the middle. So this is what I'll do. It means that I will take the square of this 4 root 3 square minus root 6 square. That will equal to, now if you take the square of this, you get 48. Then here 48, then take the square of this, you get 6. That will give you 42. So that is it. So we are going to do one final example, just one last example. So Now let's do one more example. So the example that I want to do is this. Take for example, you have root 3 plus 1 over root 3. You have to square it. So you know the meaning of square. It means that root 3 plus 1 over root 3 will multiply itself. So I'll distribute root 3 for the first bracket. That is root 3 multiply root 3 multiply root 3 plus 1 over root 3. Then I'll distribute this other term 1 over root 3 multiply by root 3 plus 1 over root 3. So okay, let's simplify this further. So if you multiply root 3 and root 3, you're going to get 3. You're going to get 3 plus, now whenever you use a number to multiply the reciprocal, that is root 3, you are using root 3 now to multiply 1 over root 3. That is like root 3 times 1 over root 3. This will cancel out. You will be left with 1. So it means that if you use root 3 to multiply these two to multiply each other, you're going to get 1. Sorry. If you multiply root these two, you get 1 plus 1 over root 3 times root 3 will still give me 1. Plus when I multiply 1 over root 3 and 1 over root 3, that would be 1 over 3. So if I simplify this, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 5, that is 5 plus 1 over 3. That will give me my final answer, which is 5 number 1 over 3. So that is the answer to this question. So like I said before, this is the final example. So if you know that you learned something from this stuff, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and share it to your friends. So that will be all for today's video. So have a good day. So that will be all for today's video.